Does your Windows search bar not function properly? Perhaps there are no results at all, or it is laggy or unresponsive. You are not alone. The search tool is one of the most important capabilities for rapidly locating files, apps, and system settings. Yet sometimes we encounter problems with it. The most frequent reasons why the Windows search bar stops functioning will be covered in this tutorial, along with step-by-step instructions to quickly fix it. So let's get into it. As you can see on the screen, when I try to click on the search box, nothing happens, it just keeps loading. Step 1. Run the Search and Indexing Troubleshooter. Press Windows key plus R to open the dialog. Now type CMD, then press Enter. At the command prompt, run the following command. Now press Enter. Now follow the on-screen instructions. Click Advanced. Then run as administrator. After that, click Next. Then choose Can't start a search. And then click Next and wait for the system to do the troubleshooting. Step 2. Restart Windows Search. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete, and then select Task Manager. Choose Details. Scroll down and look for searchindexer.exe. Once you find it, right-click, then choose End Task. And our last step, rebuild Search Index. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. In the search bar, type Control Panel and press Enter. Now click Category, then choose Large Icons. Go to Indexing Options. Click on Advanced, then Rebuild. This process might take some time depending on the amount of data on your computer. And that wraps up. Remember, this process can take a little while, especially if you have a lot of files, but it's a powerful way to fix search issues and speed things up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.